Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us today for the SOTI and Android Enterprise webisode on the power of Android and SOTI ONE in the enterprise. My name is Daniel Sandberg, and I am a member of the Android Enterprise Partner Training and Enablement team.
And I'm Tam Rosman from SOTI, and together we will talk about how SOTI ONE unlocks fantastic use cases when using Android devices.
Over the last 24 months, COVID has sent shockwaves through the ecosystem. Pre-COVID, we were well down the path of having mobility drive digital transformation, and many of these trends that we're seeing today were in flight 24 plus months ago. But the sudden and urgent need to accommodate remote and safe working environments has drastically accelerated these trends. According to a report by Twilio, this acceleration represents approximately 6 years of advancement. Frontline or deskless workers represent 80% of the global workforce as per a PwC survey conducted back in 2018. Fast forward to today, and that percentage is likely even higher. And these workers have proven to be the cornerstone of many successful organizations. They have played a critical role in adapting processes amidst this incredible crisis. And they are helping define how things will change as part of the economies continue to get back to normal. But despite their importance, these enterprise frontline workers simply don't get the same technical support as their knowledge worker counterparts. 87% of information workers said it was very easy or somewhat easy to access the technology they needed to do their work from home. Meanwhile, only 35% of deskless workers said they received additional technology to help them during the crisis. These workers continue to use legacy technologies to do their jobs, and in many cases, they are still using manual and paper-based processes for their work. Now, the reality is, a poorly enabled enterprise workforce can create a downward spiral of business problems. Data technology can lead to lost efficiency and frustrated employees, which in turn leads to a poor customer experience, customer churn, and security risks. Ultimately, this downward spiral has a massive negative impact on a company's bottom line and employee morale.
We've worked with companies all over the world who are avoiding this spiral. They are using the SOTI ONE platform as the catalyst for digital transformation. They are digitally enabling their workforce and transforming their business in positive ways. Companies who are deploying mobility to drive digital transformation are improving the customer experience, positively impacting brand loyalty, saving money, and improving their overall operations.
And that is why we believe that Android Enterprise is the ideal platform to digitize workflows for your enterprise. Because Android provides flexible hardware options to ensure every business need can be met, a secure and easy to manage platform, an extensible and open app development platform, and familiar and intuitive UX and better privacy options for employees.
Android provides a wide range of device types, so companies can pick the right device for each specific use case. Many devices have features designed to withstand the needs of enterprise workers. Specialized, rugged hardware that is designed for harsh conditions. Devices with long battery life and or swappable batteries. And tablets that are built for a specific purpose, like a kiosk, point-of-sale terminal, or digital signage. Devices for enterprise workers also come in a wide range of price points to meet any budget, and many of these devices can be customized by our OEM partners to meet the specific business need.
Android makes device sharing simple. Android supports multiple users on the same device while gracefully handling user data and privacy across multiple users. User data can be erased at the end of a session and can be preserved until the next login, but kept separate.
And SOTI ONE makes this happen.
Now, once you have selected a device, it is easy to get it deployed and configured. With Android's zero-touch enrollment process, you can deploy hundreds of devices instantly. Zero-touch enrollment is available on all the latest Android devices. You are able to ship devices directly to your distributed workforce and have these devices show up in a configured and managed state. Zero-touch deployments save time and money for IT and helps ensure employees are productive right away.
And here at SOTI, we have a lot of customers who have used Zero Touch and SOTI ONE to deploy thousands of devices. The ability to have devices enrolled and ready to go, delivered to an employee while still factory sealed, truly saves valuable time and resources for any IT team.
We realize that every enterprise deployment is different, and many companies have different ways they want to deploy their devices. Android provides a highly flexible set of configuration options. For work-only devices, Android provides the capability to fully manage the device. Some of these devices can be managed as a dedicated or single-use device, and typically these devices are shared use or shift use are also fully managed.
Many companies allow personal use on them, regardless of whether the device is company or personally owned. Many companies rely on employees to access company information using their personal devices. This can often raise security concerns, but this solution addresses this very concern. In deployments where devices will have personal data, we recommend deploying Work Profile, a very unique capability that is only available on Android. With a Work Profile, work data and personal data are completely separate. In this scenario, the IT department is not able to see the personal and private data outside of the work profile. This has proven to be an extremely attractive deployment option for IT admins and employees, and SOTI ONE unlocks all of these use deployment options.
Google Play Protect is Google's built-in malware protection for Android that scans over 3 billion devices and 100 billion apps every day. When customers are using Google Play Protect alongside Google Play, the number of devices with potentially harmful applications is only 0.004%.
And note, when deploying applications to your SOTI managed Android devices, you can ensure that Google Play Protect is enabled and cannot be deactivated by end users. With SOTI, you can even block the installation of unknown or unapproved apps from being installed, adding additional peace of mind for any IT admin. Once you have chosen your apps, SOTI ONE enables IT admins to create their own managed Google Play Store that results in a secure, centralized app management solution. The managed Google Play Store makes it easy to deploy and manage any application, whether it's a custom app or a publicly available app. IT admins using SOTI ONE can remotely push apps, accept permissions, and configure settings on employee devices.
Now, underneath all of this, we provide industry-leading security capabilities by utilizing several layers of security.
SOTI ONE enables our customers to take advantage of these layers of security by ensuring devices are in a secure and compliant state, ensuring alignment with a company's IT security and compliance requirements. And that concludes our quick review and introduction of Android Enterprise and the SOTI ONE platform. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please tune in to our next webisode where we explore on all enterprise worker use cases.